Hello students, welcome to NRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson Madam Rides the Bus. In our previous session, we came to know that Valli told the old man and the conductor not to call her child or madam. And she was standing on her seat again. Then conductor warned her to not to stand on the seat because she may fall and hurt herself when the bus makes sharp turn or hits the bump. Now let's continue the lesson. The bus stopped, some new passengers got on, and the conductor got busy for a time. Afraid of losing her seat, Valli finally sat down. Yes, the bus stopped in the next station. Some new passengers got on. They boarded the bus and conductor got busy for a time. For some time he was busy. Afraid of losing her seat, Valli finally sat down. Yeah, then Valli was afraid of losing her seat. That's why she sat down on her seat. An elderly woman came and sat beside her. Are you all alone, dear? She asked Valli as the bus started again. An elderly woman, an old lady. She came and sat beside Valli. Are you all alone, dear? And she asked Valli, are you alone? She asked Valli as the bus started again. When the bus started again, bus started to move again, that old lady asked Valli so. Valli found the woman absolutely repulsive. Such big holes she had in her earlobes and such ugly earrings in them. Yes, Valli found the woman absolutely repulsive. Repulsive means causing strong dislike. Valli disliked that old lady. Such a big holes she had in her earlobes. In the earlobes, in the soft part of the ear, okay, where the ladies put rings. There were big holes in the place of earlobes. There were big holes and such ugly earrings in them. And there were ugly earrings in the hole. And she could smell the betel nut the woman was chewing, and that woman was chewing betel nut. Betel nut, again we can call it areca nut also, areca nut. Okay, she was chewing that and Valli could smell that one. And see the betel juice that was threatening to spill over her lips at any moment. And while she was chewing, that old lady was chewing the betel nut, betel juice was coming out of her mouth, okay, her lips, and it may spill over, overflow, it may come out and it may fall on me. Like that, Valli was threatening. She was afraid of that juice may fall on me. That frightening feeling was there for Valli. Who could be sociable with such a person? Then Valli thought, who could be sociable? Sociable means who could be friendly with such a person. See, she was very disliking nature lady. Who could be sociable with such lady? Yes, I am traveling alone, she answered curtly. And I have got a ticket too. Then Valli said, yes, I am traveling alone. She answered curtly. Curtly means showing displeasure. She did not want to talk to that lady. She disliked her. Okay. So she gave her answer in curtly manner, means showing displeasure. And I have got ticket too. Already I have got my ticket too. Yes, she is on her way to town, said the conductor with a 30% ticket. Then conductor again interfered in their conversation. He said, yes, she is on her way to town. She is going to town, said the conductor with 30% ticket. With 30% ticket, she is going to the town. Oh, why don't you mind your own business? Said Valli. But she laughed all the same, and the conductor laughed too. Then Valli said to the conductor, why don't you mind your own business? Why you are interfering in my business, my matter? Why don't you concentrate on your own work? Like that, she asked to the conductor. But she laughed all the same. But after asking that, she laughed to Valli. And even conductor also laughed. But the old woman went on with her drivel. But old woman went on with her drivel. Drivel means silly nonsense. She asked several questions to this girl. Is it proper for such a young person to travel alone? Do you know exactly where you are going in the town? What's the street? What's the house number? Like this. Many questions she asked to this girl Valli. Okay. You needn't bother about me. I can take care of myself, Valli said, turning her face towards the window and staring out. Then at last, Valli, she said, you needn't bother about me. You need not to worry about me. I can take care of myself. I know how to take care of myself, Valli said, and turning her face towards the window. Then she turned her face towards the window and started to stare out. Yeah, next. Her first journey. What careful, painstaking, elaborate plans she had to make for it. She had thriftily saved whatever stray coins came her way, resisting every temptation to buy peppermints, toys, balloons, and the like, and finally she had saved total of 60 paise. Yes, her first journey, for her first journey, Valli had taken much care. Okay, she had to take much care about that. She took pains also. It was very painstaking. Okay, and she made elaborate plan. Elaborate means detailed, complex plan. Painstaking means hard work. She had to make for it. For her first journey, she took such risks, and she was very careful while making her plans. She had thriftily saved whatever stray coins came her way. She had thriftily means spend money carefully, economically. Okay, carefully she saved money for her travel, for her trip. Resisting every temptation to buy peppermints, she resisted. She controlled her temptation. Temptation means desire or impulse. She controlled her desires to buy peppermints, toys, balloons, and the like, and finally she had saved total of 60 paise. Like this, controlling her desires, she saved 60 paise. How difficult it had been, particularly that day at the village fair. But she had resolutely stifled a strong desire to ride the merry-go-round. Even though she had money, particularly she controlled herself on the day of village fair. That day, she was very much interested to have a ride in the merry-go-round, in the roundabout. Then also she controlled herself, resolutely stifled means suppressed or controlled with determination. She controlled herself and saved money for her trip. She did not go on the, she did not ride the merry-go-round. Instead of that, she saved that money in order to have her trip on the bus. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.